Welcome to PillarX Insights. PillarX Insights is an algorithmic insights intelligence system. It continuously scans the markets, processes real-time data, and automatically generates trade events based on predefined strategies, risk rules, and execution logic. Every trade you see is produced by the algorithm, not manually entered, and every trade follows the same structured framework. Let's walk through a trade event and explain exactly how it works. When the algorithm detects a valid opportunity, it creates a trade event. That trade event includes asset, direction, entry price, stop loss, multiple take profit targets, position sizing logic, and automated risk management. Everything is defined at the moment the trade is created. Each trade event is clearly labeled as long or short. A long trade means the algorithm expects the price of the asset to increase. A short trade means the algorithm expects the price to decrease. In this example, the trade is short, meaning the algorithm is positioned to profit as the price moves lower. The entry price is the price level where the algorithm opens the trade. This price becomes the reference point for profit calculations, risk management, take profit targets, and stop loss placement. All performance metrics are measured relative to the entry price. Each trade uses 3 take profit targets. Each target closes 33.33% of the total position. That means take profit 1 closes the first third, take profit 2 closes the second third, take profit 3 closes the final third. This approach allows the algorithm to lock in profits early, reduce risk as the trade progresses, and still participate in extended market moves. It avoids the all-or-nothing problem of single take profit trading. Every trade includes a predefined stop loss. The stop loss represents the maximum loss the algorithm is willing to accept. If the price reaches this level, the trade is closed automatically to protect capital. As profits are realized, the stop loss becomes dynamic. When any take profit target is hit, the stop loss automatically moves to 5% below the take profit price. This mechanism locks in gains, reduces downside exposure, and turns winning trades into protected positions. Risk continuously decreases as the trade succeeds. Let's take a look at the price action graph. The graph represents the asset's actual price action over time. It provides instant visual context, showing where the price is relative to the stop loss, in percentage terms, how far it is from the next take profit target, and how the trade has evolved since entry. How do the trades close? A trade can close in one of 3 ways. First, the stop loss is hit. In this case, the algorithm exits the trade to cap losses. Second, an opposite trade event is generated. The algorithm detects a market reversal and exits early. Third, all take profit targets are reached. The position is fully closed once all profits are realized. Every exit is rule-based and automatic. Understanding profit and loss. Floating P&L represents the system's current overall performance. It includes both realized P&L from closed portions of trades and unrealized P&L from open positions. This shows where performance stands right now. Open P&L shows unrealized profit or loss only. It reflects how much open trades would gain or lose if they were closed at current prices. Closed P&L represents fully realized profit and loss from all completed trades. This is your locked-in performance. To access PillarX Algorithmic Insights, go to pillarx.app and get started.